This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete LinkedIn account. Open linkedin.com and log into your account. Click on Me and click on Settings and Privacy. And here select Account Preferences option and scroll down all the way to the bottom. Click on Close Account. And note one thing, that if you close your account, you will lose your connections, messages, endorsements, and recommendations. Click on Continue and select a reason why you are deleting your account. Click on Next. Enter here your password and check this box. Click on Done and your account will be deleted. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.